Ready to get the show on the road?
Hopefully.
You gonna need some help?
Probably. Good.
Let's see that in an instant replay.
Oh, both pop.
Alpine Star sponsorship?
Hey, look pro, ride slow. That's the mentor.
What's we doing out here, Damon?
Going riding.
First day back.
Yes, sir. Fuck COVID. Fuck COVID. COVID can't stop a KTM.
Out here at Baja Acres. Chase, where's this quad at?
Hey, if I could, I'd bring it. I'd send that fucker, dude.
So you telling me you're gonna go up the Twisted?
Yeah, bro, we're gonna send her out there one day. Just gotta get a truck so I can haul that bitch out there.
You gonna be able to handle this task?
Now let's build that. That shit's expensive. Tiger semen, straight from Bangladesh.
What was that?
Tiger semen, straight from Bangladesh.
You almost have a full tank, almost. You want me to tip her off?
No, I'll be here tomorrow.
Well, I want to, buddy. Touch. No. Touch. So what? I might have got that bitch stuck in there. Yeah, it's full.
You put 2 drops in there.
What do you mean, buddy?
Full?
Huh?
Is that thing full?
Full, yeah.
It looks pretty full.
Yeah.
What's the road at? 12. Terrible. Slow. Huh? I'm slow. No point in riding. Anybody looking for a bike?
What debate we got going on here?
$100 this kid can't make it a lap.
I'll make it a fucking lap any day of the fucking week, buddy.
Shake hands or it ain't nothing.
Can you get your leg over a bike?
Yeah.
Can you?
Yeah.
I don't think you can.
Yeah. See, this kid talks so much shit and gets so mad, so defensive. He's like a little bitch, that's all. It's a dirt bike, ain't it? Hey, is it 110 a dirt bike, boys? Is it 110 a dirt bike? Yep. Exactly. I'm at the point of no
So what do we got to look forward next week?
Put a center over a fucking big jump. Just kidding, not even a big jump.
What? What are we challenging Chase to next weekend?
Pit bike race.
Put a center. finna win that whole damn thing. Watch. He's gonna be
I'm gonna clean
behind
them.
me. He's gonna be behind me.
I'll put 50 bucks on that.
He's gonna be behind me.
Put that money where your mouth is.
Center right here, boy. Center, boy.
Did you hear him about the money?
Put the money up. I'll put money. Dude, I already
Put money on next weekend?
Yeah.
You'll put money on next weekend?
Yeah.
$100 I beat you
I'm
to
a 110 center.
Alright, you seen it. It's on video too.
110 center. Drying up. What's your review, Chase? Could have sent it more. Get ready for next Saturday, because I'm 110 sending.
What's that?
Get ready for next Saturday, because I'm 110 sending, buddy.
Chase, can you get your leg over that bike?
What?
Can you get your leg over the bike?
Not in jeans, probably.
It's the same thing as being in these.
No, they're not.